Yeah, what's up, guys? Um, just gonna do kind of a little short vlog video, I guess. I don't know. I need to change out my bulbs for the HVAC, heating, venting, AC, HVAC. So basically, where the climate control knobs are at, since I own this car the past year, a little over a year now, the lights never worked. I thought they were just burned out. But actually, when I actually did the short shifter and took off the trim, and basically had to take off the plugs for the cigarette lighter and the inverter, and I realized that there wasn't even any bulbs. So so not even no burnt out bulbs, just no bulbs, period. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but I ordered some. They are called Z4, Neo Z4, I believe. You have to look them up just to verify. But they're tiny, and they got like kind of like a little ninja star. I don't want to say swastika, but I guess a little bit of a swastika kind of look. Yeah, you see the Z? Yeah, so basically, I already have I don't have the trim panel. Usually, I guess the easiest way to do it is take out your radio and go through the back behind it. But since I have my trim panel off, all I have to do is pull out the cigarette lighter, that trim piece or whatever. So let me get to it. I got the couple screwdrivers, got my little panel trim thing, whatever, not to scratch at the trim if I gotta pop anything off. New plan. My hand's kind of too fat to get up in there. I really tried to get under there, but I couldn't really see where I can see my finger behind there. This one I did. Yeah, this one I did. So I'm not sure. So I just took off the trim for the radio. You have the plugs, the three plugs up top for the hazard, the vent, and the passenger light. And then you have two more for, well, mine, the AC and the circulation. And then in this white one right here was just like kind of, I don't know what it is. It's a blank button, so I guess it's just a dummy plug. Once I took that off, it's 4 screws, one right here, one right there, one right here, and one back there, and the radio should pull out now. Yep, there we go. And just unplug the back. First time taking out this radio. Look at this fucking hack job somebody did freaking installing this thing. Wow. They put some fucking twist caps on this thing, dude. What the fuck, dude? A freaking plug and play adapter is like $10, $15 max. And they went and fucking rigged this shit up. That shit's sorry. That's gonna be fun when I wire in my new radio pretty soon. Fucking A. After fidgeting for this for like 30 minutes, trying to get these bulbs in, them falling, oh my lord, there's like, I hate the freaking designers, whoever invented and designed this HVAC replacement bulb system. Half an hour, I got them. You gotta push them in, you gotta get the screwdriver, and it's like super difficult to find it from behind, and only one works. I gotta replace some bulbs. I gotta push that one out now and figure it out. Awesome. And I don't think I had to go all the way back. I kind of wedged the screwdriver to kind of rotate it slightly more, and it's turning on, but hope it just does not vibrate out of place, because I'm going to be very pissed. Looks like it's in there. Yeah, looks like it's in there. Yeah, it's screwed in. I don't know. I think it just has a sucky contact. Oh well. It's turning on right now. Let's just hope it stays on. Now to connect everything back up. It should take me about 5 minutes. We're back at it. Oh yes. Awesome. First time I've ever seen it lit up. Nice. Cool, cool. Well, there's a little bit of content right there. I was bored. Just wanted to put something out. Needed to do this. I just hope that it does not, I guess, come out of contact. I know quite a few people will just kind of bang it and it'll be good to go, but at least for sure that side's lit up, so I can kind of, at night I can never see like what the settings are at, and I always have to turn on the light or whatever. But anyways, yeah, that's that.